Hi everyone, in this video we are converting a context-free grammar to a push-down automata. So the construction of PDA from context-free grammar is discussed by this video. So this is given a context-free grammar that you have already know. So how to construct it into a PDA? So PDA will have what? PDA will have terminal symbols and non-terminal symbol. The terminal symbols is A and B and non-terminal symbol is A, B, C and S. So in the PDA we start the transition with the initial state, that is Q0. In the Q0, since S is the starting symbol, this rule will be applicable to every conversion of context-free grammar to a PDA. Q0 state and S is the starting symbol. So to provide S, we provide what? Null transition. So Q0 on null, stack top is Z0. We will insert what? We will insert Q0 comma yes. That is, in the initial state we assume that if a null signal is coming, stack top is Z0, we will insert what? Yes. If we don't insert yes, we can't pass this grammar or we can't convert into a PDA since S is the starting symbol. So to insert starting symbol in every PDA, construction from a context-free grammar, we will do this rule, that is delta. Initial state is Q0 and state as null. Null is coming, stack top is Z0, we will make it as Q0, not Q0, here it is Q1, new state it is moving, Q1 and S will be in the stack top. Okay, so from the Z0 we have made yes on the stack top. You can write yes Z0, that is also correct, but it's yes also it is correct. I will say write only the simplified manner also. So next one, in Q1, okay, yes is in the stack top and coming symbol will be what? A, isn't it? So A comes, stack top is yes, what will be become? A and A will be matched and remaining will be what? Remaining will be A, isn't it? So I will say once again this, that is, if S is on the stack top, S is replaced by the production what? AA, isn't it? S is on the stack top, we are having S on the stack top and S derives what? AA, but terminal symbols we will not write in the PDA. We are assumed that it is matched, that is coming, A is coming and stack top is yes. Every terminal symbols is coming, that is we are assuming when we construct a PDA from a context-free grammar. That is why I write Q1 is the state, terminal symbol A is coming and production is yes, that is stack top is yes, then this A and this A is being matched. Since yes gives AA, this A and this A is being matched and we have to insert what? We have to cut yes from that, that is we remove yes from this and we write here what? A. Okay, I think you have get an idea. When we do this full, you will get the clear-cut idea. So now our stack top is A. So delta Q1, we always write Q1 because we don't know whether it is moving to the next stage. So every time Q0 is the transition, the null transition. From the null transition we move to what? Q1, that is start symbol is inserted. Then every PDA will be residing in the state what? Q1 itself. Okay, Q1. When I see A here two terminal symbol A and also B is also there. So I write for A, Q1, A comes, stack top is what? A. Okay, A, what it will be happening? Q1, this will having what remaining? A, B, C, isn't it? Look at for this will have nothing to remain, so I will write what? Q1 comma null. Okay, so that is if this and this A are being matched and remaining non-terminal symbol is being writing. Next one, Q1, B comes, stack top is A, since B is the, so what will be the result set? Q1 then what will happen? B and B is matched, remaining is what? B. Okay, next one, look at here, delta Q1, then what will be happening? B is the, okay, so B is coming and stack top is B. What will be happening? That is equal to what? Q1 comma what? Null, isn't it? The null will be happening to here since B and B are matched, and it moves to what? Null. Also delta Q1, and it comes C. Here C comes and stack top is capital C. It will be moving to what? Q1 comma null, since C are matched and remaining will be what? Null. Okay, so very simple concept. First we insert yes with a null transition, and every terminal symbol is coming with the input tape, and non-terminal symbol on the top, it is substituted with the production. When you substitute with production, every terminal symbol is to be cut off. That is A and A are matched and remaining A, B, C will be right. A and A is matched and remaining A, B, C, and here remaining null, then you can write it what? Null. Okay, this is the construction of a PDA from a context free grammar. Okay, you must practice it, then it will become very easy. Okay, thank you.